In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see hours on Teamwork. Whether you're a team leader tracking productivity or a team member looking to manage your time more effectively, understanding how to navigate Teamwork's time management features is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and search for Teamwork. This step is straightforward. You can use any search engine that you prefer. Once your search results load, you'll likely see Teamwork's website at the top of the list. Click on the first result, or you can directly navigate to the site by entering www.teamwork.com in your browser's address bar. With the Teamwork homepage in front of you, your next move is to log in to your account. If you haven't logged in already, locate the Login button typically found in the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, whether it's an email and password combination or a single sign-on method, and gain access to your dashboard. Now, focus your attention on the main navigation menu. Here, you should see several options laid out horizontally. Click on the one labeled Time, which will lead you to the section dedicated to time tracking and management. This feature is a central hub for reviewing all logged hours and handling time-related data efficiently. Once in the Time section, you'll notice tabs labeled at the top of the page. Select the one that says My Timesheet. This tab displays your personal log of hours worked, broken down by day as well as computed for the entire week. Here, you can observe a comprehensive list of your total time logged. If you want a closer look at specific tasks and projects, you have the option to expand these rows and view individual time entries in detail. If your interest isn't limited to your hours alone, it's time to broaden your view. Click on the Company Timesheet option, which lets you view time logs across the entire organization. This tool is particularly useful for project managers or supervisors who need to oversee the team's broader time management patterns. Within the Company Timesheet, Teamwork offers powerful filtering capabilities. You can customize your view by selecting a specific week. Alongside this, you have the flexibility to filter data according to user, project, or task status. This makes it significantly easier to focus on particular team segments or projects you're concerned with. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to seamlessly navigate the time tracking features on Teamwork, gaining insights into both individual and team productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more guides like this. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy mastering your Teamwork time management.